Hi everyone. Welcome to this session on funnel reports capabilities in HCL Volt MX. A funnel report gives you a quick and visual view of how many users are interacting with your app or specific features, helping you track user behavior effectively. Make sure to watch the user journey app events and APM video before diving into this session. In today's video, we'll cover what funnel reports are, how to build funnel reports, and how to understand and leverage the data within them. So let's dive in.
So now that we have looked at uh, APM, and we already in the standard reports and dashboarding section saw some of the APM reports, including crashes as well as error details. So one other usage that you can do, for example, is looking at funnel reports. This functionality is available only in the VoltMX cloud. So what exactly is a funnel report? So let us try to understand it in terms of a simple business process, right? So for example, somebody is trying to buy something in e-commerce kind of an app. So they are searching for something and then they choose the address, choose a payment method, and then place the order. So there are multiple steps that are being done to get this transaction done. And you want to know how many users are dropping off, or what is the flow of the user journey, so to speak. And this is a key flow, so this has a big economic impact. So I probably want to know what exactly is happening across these steps. So the funnel report is built with this in mind, to see how is the funnel, user funnel, how many people, for example, started the login, how many of them went to search, how many of them added to cart, and how many from that actually ended to checkout, right? So you can filter this based on channel, platform, and app type, and other stuff that you already saw in the standard reports as well. You can set a date range, and you can choose what forms that you want to be added to the funnel. And then quickly you can analyze the user journey and identify problem areas and drop off. So this lets you, optimize the user flow to ensure that you are identifying issues with the application and ensuring you are able to focus your attention on them. So when you're trying to build a funnel report, you can just go to the funnel report section of the thing, and you can choose the app and the environment. It will show the forms that are there. You choose them in the sequence in which it is done from the application. So the app developer or the person building this should know the sequence. It need not be exact, that is between form login and form search. In here, for example, there might be something else, but form search should have had form login, because the funnel is trying to see from the left to right how the funnel is happening. So if you try to put search before login, and if this form cannot be done, then this is not going to make sense. So please ensure that you know the logical sequence of the application, and then you can build the funnel to determine that. And you can ensure that the report is shared with others or just visible to you. You can choose what is the date range and give a description and stuff. So this is how you build the funnel report. And once a funnel report is built, there are different sections in this, right? So for example, this is the forms that you showed. This is the overall number of users that were there. And this is the percentage. And this is the throughput from point A to point B, right? So you can understand this. So for example, the top section provides the total count and the percentage of total user sessions that visited the form. So for example, 87% of the people that used the app logged in or went to the login form. Of them, 85% went to the search form, and of those that searched, 35% added something to cart, and only 25% checked out, right? The middle section shows the conversion rate. So from login to search was 97, from search to add to cart was 41, and from add to cart to checkout was 71. And the bottom section is showing the drop off. So for example, 22 people that went to the login did not even perform a search. So the drop off there was like 3%. And similarly, from the search to add to cart, it had a 59% drop off. And these were the number of, drop off sessions, so to speak. And similarly, add to cart to checkout, there was a 29% drop off. So this is how you read and understand the funnel report, and hope this makes sense.
To summarize, we covered the basics of funnel reports in HCL Volt MX, starting with what funnel reports are and how they help track user engagement. We also walked you through the process of building funnel reports and explained how to interpret the data to optimize your app's performance. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this session insightful. Be sure to explore the rest of Volt Foundry Analytics features through our other videos. For more resources, simply scan the QR code on the screen and don't forget to check the description box for additional details.